Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, today we're starting a little bit different. I'm trying to make things a little bit smoother. Hopefully the sound is good from the beginning. Otherwise, we're gonna move forward, and I hope everybody
Hell yeah!
is doing all right.
Hell yeah!
He's doing amazing.
Hell yeah!
Hopefully are kicking booty, and let me know what is that golden nugget that you want to share with the community in the chat room or in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Tom Green, amazing comedian, and shout out to him because the original song that he had for his show, Hadouken, man. That's not my song, by the way. Dudes and dudettes, I wanted to start very, very fast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do a Hadouken to the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. That's the free way to support this channel and the community. We have been growing faster, stronger, and every day getting better. Is that right, Randy?
Oh yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and start with Bitcoin. Even though I wanted to take a look at the chart first, I want to take a look at this article provided by one of our members in our Discord, Mr. Edwam Murati. Let me remove this image, and it's an article from bitcoinist.com. Okay? The author is Yashu Sola, and it starts like this. Before I say anything else regarding this, members, subscribers, say hi in the chat room if you're live with us. And once I'm done with the last article, which is gonna be Amazon, I will open the gates for your suggestions and recommendations. Definitely keep it clean. Let's go ahead and get started and say hi because manners matter. Right, Randy?
Oh yeah!
Multiple analysts look at $400,000 as Bitcoin's ultimate bull stop. So 400,000, ladies and gentlemen, a soup of optimistic fundamental and technical indicators has led multiple analysts to envision Bitcoin at a 6-digit valuation. The flurry of experienced finance professionals includes veteran trader Peter Brandt, investment strategist Scott Minerd, and asset manager Kathy Wood, all of them coming from different mindsets. Lately projected Bitcoin at 400 motherfucking thousand. A cryptocurrency that has been on record bull since March, rising by up to 1,150% to hit a record high above 48,000. For Ms. Wood, who founded ARK Invest, an asset management firm holding investments worth $29.3 billion, the follow-up capital for Bitcoin comes from corporates. She noted that if all the companies listed on the U.S. benchmark's S&P 500 index reallocate 10% of their cash reserves to the benchmark cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin USD exchange rate will shoot past $400,000. Holy mofongo. And that's not the moon, man. That's going to another planet, bro. Holy mofongo, guys. So 5 Bitcoin plus 300 spins. What the heck? Nah. Bitcoin has gained dramatic attention from Wall Street in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic.
Guess what? Bitch? Coronavirus!
Cardi, you look amazing this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Now I got lost, Cardi. You confused me with that. Woo! But anyways, guys, billionaires, investors, including Stan Druckenmiller and Paul Tudor Jones and mainstream corporate firms such as MicroStrategy, Square, Marathon Patent Group, and others bought the cryptocurrency against their fears of fiat devaluation and higher inflation in the long term. Bitcoin is only roughly at $600 billion market cap, so even half the size of Apple or Amazon right now. Doesn't that put into it into perspective? And yet, it is a very big idea. I think a much bigger idea than Apazon. That's the mix of Apple or Amazon. Apazon. Ms. Wood told Yahoo Finance, building on the same Bitcoin narrative, Guggenheim Partners managing partner Scott Minerd says that Bitcoin for now lacks institutional involvement at a larger scale. Nonetheless, he added that the cryptocurrency could hit $400,000, $600,000 per unit should it manage to mousetrap a portion of the gold market. If you consider the supply of Bitcoin relative, the supply of gold in the world, and what the total value of gold is, if Bitcoin were to go to those kind of numbers, you'd be talking about $400,000 to $600,000 per Bitcoin, he told Julia Chatterley last week. The road to higher valuation has apprehensively begun with Tesla's large-scale investment in the Bitcoin market. On Monday, the world's leading electric car maker revealed in its securities filing that it bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in January. Its report counted Bitcoin among alternative reserve assets to cash, paving the way for other Wall Street firms to explore the cryptocurrency as their hedge against a depreciating US dollar. Nevertheless, skeptics, including strategists at JP Morgan and Chase, see Tesla's Bitcoin investment as a no-brainer for other corporate houses. They argued the cryptocurrency's price volatility would have big firms stick to their declining yet comparatively stable cash reserves. But Mr. Brandt feels Bitcoin is halfway home. Before its price rallies further upward, the veteran trader tracked the cryptocurrency's previous two parabolic advances to note that the third one might be underway as adoption booms. Or better yet, the bull trend in 2015-2017 experienced 9 corrections greater than 30%, said Mr. Brandt. The current market has reached just short of a single 30% correction. I am not predicting a 30-40% correction, just pointing out that we should expect sharp corrections at some point. And ladies and gentlemen, corrections indeed. I mean, we started to go down once again to 45,000. It went even Bitcoin right now, guys. Oh, hello, Bitcoin. So we are at 45,659. I mean, a correction will be awesome to have re-entries, but let's go ahead and add even these targets. Holy mofongos, guys. Everybody getting into the freaking charts. 400,000. We already had it. So I'm going to go ahead and add over here ARC. I'm going to add. Wait. ARC. What was the other one? I believe it was over here where it says 400. Yeah, there you go. Guggenheim. Googie. Oh, yeah, Googie. There you go, guys. Guggenheim as well. And Guggenheim said that it could even go to 600,000. So that's a very, very good range. Very good range. Wow. Insane, guys. Insane. The opportunities for Bitcoin are still there. The devaluation of the dollar can happen. But it's just that we need people to have money in the American territories, because it's not a territories. Because even in Puerto Rico, man, there's a lot of Americans there that need a lot of help, you know, after the Hurricane Maria that I actually experienced and I moved because of. A lot of people haven't been recovered from there, and I think money to the people makes sense. And then just making money work. Subscribe to this motherfucking channel and let's keep on kicking booty. Because we have been doing it for quite a while, and Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, we've experienced everything. I still remember this area. Edwam and I were like, man, will Bitcoin go to 20K? And no, ladies and gentlemen, it just continue back up. So any retracement is definitely an opportunity. I'm liking that right now. It's creating some interesting rejections. I would love to even see it at 40,000, but I just don't think it can get there so fast. We'll see. We'll see. A lot of companies starting to spark up interest involving themselves, and interesting conversations and perspectives from different analysts saying that even Apple should be starting to consider becoming part of that crypto race. Very, very interesting development indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and move forward. Yes, let's go ahead and take a look at this article about Johnson & Johnson, because I don't have any summary today. Oh, Virgin Galactic. Ooh, I'm going to add it. Because Virgin Galactic is being very interesting, and I think if there's any drop, it could be interesting. Actually, I do think that today maybe there may be a little bit of retracement in some areas, but others are starting to pick up speed. Let's get started with this. Let's get Johnson & Johnson out of the way. And after I'm done with SPCE, I will review the chat room. By the way, I'm just going to say hi now to everybody, leaving the Bitcoin, and then we'll get to the Johnson & Johnson. Okay? I'm sorry. Hello? Yeah. You good, bro? Dubinek, welcome. Good to see you. Yo. Edouard Murati, great morning. Jerbear, good morning, my friend. Good to see you. Send it to the moon, to Mars, to Pluto. Good morning, my friend. Wakey, Jonatico. wakey. Good to see you, man. Peter Luneto, good morning, my friend. Jason Park, buenos dias, stylish Mexican. I hope that you're doing amazing. Sounds good, sounds magical, because we do this with a lot of love, con mucho amor. You know, stylish Mexican, OBI. What is that? Matthew Grado, good morning. Crypto Crackhead, morning, beautiful people. Look at that. Beautiful energy over here. Wakey. Global chip shortage. If only there was a company that can print chips. So, Cal, you know what that means, right? Oh, my goodness. Good morning. But David, Nicholas View is set. Man, oh, man, guys, let's go ahead and move forward. Because, Bitcoin had to retrace. It's not bad. It's not a bad retracement, and the rejection candle that is creating is interesting. The daily candle for yesterday was a little bit of an indecision candle. So I just want to see Bitcoin retrace, create some support, and maybe capitalize on that opportunity if it happens. But Bitcoin for now doing great. Do you know what's doing great as well? Before now, I go to freaking J&J. Sorry, guys. Those who were excited about Johnson & Johnson. We're going to look at MATA right now. So since Bitcoin is retracing, it means that MATA is actually dropping just a little bit. As you can see, from 37.59, it's gone to 37.10. But that's a mild retracement. Is something that actually I wouldn't mind. If it went back down to 28, that will be insane. And I am sure Edouard Murati is enjoying this ride. Let's do Riot Blockchain for all of you. Yes, Riot Blockchain, another one. From 39.86, we are retracing this morning just a little bit. 6%. I wouldn't mind the retracing to 29. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, we're good. It can definitely continue with some more upside. I'm appreciating the movement for the pre-market. This could be an opportunity, and it can lead to even better opportunities. Let's keep an eye on it. Then from Riot, let's do MicroStrategy, MSTR, which we have been tracking for quite the time. And as you can see, from 12.72, we have gone down to 12.12. And it is insane because MicroStrategy, when we started to do the charts over here, guys, it was still at motherfucking $300. Yep. Patrick Ciareta was like, David, we should take a look at MicroStrategy. And he was right, and he just went up, up, and away. Look at that. Holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we do here. We do salsa and holy mofongos. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin right now, once again, before I get into the Johnson & Johnson news, is at 45,812. Let's see what it will do next, guys. That was a pretty intense candle. A lot of volatility for Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move forward. So, just to give you a little bit of perspective, Johnson & Johnson is coming up. Tik Tok sale. That's the next article that I'm going to review. Coca-Cola, Sava, Sciences, Amazon, and SPCE. That is it for the news. And if there's something that we can review, that will be awesome. And then after SPCE, you can definitely submit your favorite symbol, and we'll take a look at it. It's 6:57 a.m. A lot of things still can happen. It's very early. Let's look at Johnson & Johnson. Expect annual COVID shots for the next several years. Johnson & Johnson. People may need to get vaccinated against COVID-19 annually over the next several years. Johnson & Johnson CEO Alex Gorsky told CNBC, meaning the jabs could become like seasonal flu shots. Other public health officials and infectious disease experts have said there is a high likelihood that COVID-19 will become an endemic disease, meaning it will always be present in the population but circulating at lower rates, while others think may have to live with the virus forever. Unfortunately, as the virus spreads, it can also mutate. Gorsky declared every time it mutates, it's almost like another click of the dial, so to speak, where we can see another variant, another mutation that can have an impact on its ability to fend off antibodies or to have a different kind of response, not only to a therapeutic but also to a vaccine.
Yeah.
Holy mofongo, Manuel, thank you for that amazing blessing. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for that. Really appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it. So, ladies and gentlemen, last week, Johnson & Johnson became the third vaccine maker to apply for emergency use authorization from the FDA. The jab is being hailed as a game changer due to its single-dose regimen and ability to be stored at 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 3 months. J&J's candidate is 72% effective in the U.S. and 66% effective overall at preventing moderate to severe COVID-19 28 days after the vaccination and 85% effective in preventing severe forms of COVID-19. Meanwhile, the number of Americans willing to get COVID vaccine is increasing. According to a new study from the CDC, as of September 2020, only 39.4% of adult Americans said they were absolutely certain or very likely to get vaccinated, but that number increased to over 49% by December as drugs were granted emergency authorization by the FDA. South Africa just announced it will begin giving Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine to its health workers next week. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, that was the second article that I was going to review, but you already know it. Let's review J&J and then see how he's performing today. Biggie, can you see? Ladies and gentlemen, Johnson & Johnson waking up at $166.26. I'm liking J&J. It did have to drop. This is what I think Bitcoin has to do, because it already went up. Let it go down a little bit. Following the trend line over here for J&J. And I do believe that J&J has potential to move once again to 173. Johnson & Johnson, by the way, pays dividends. Is a good company, 4.2%. And as you can see that I even have a target of 181. But let me go ahead and confirm that with my Phoebe. Can you see? Now we're going to do the Fibonacci. Yes, guys, let's do the Fibonacci. So as you can see, mira, I have to adjust it a little bit and see if the price prediction makes sense. Over here, guys, to 182 will be awesome to see. I like 177, 196, And even 211, 210, 210, 211, okay. And even 225, which was the other Fibonacci that I did. But 220 makes sense over here, guys. So definitely something that we want to keep an eye on. I'm liking this. J&J. Let's move forward to TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. And today, by the way, if the video gets to be a little bit shorter than usual, don't get discouraged. I just think that I need to do a lot of stuff early in the morning as well. TikTok sell to Walmart. Oracle is shelved. WSJ says TikTok sell to Walmart and Oracle has been shelved indefinitely. WSJ citing people familiar. The U.S. under previous Trump administration. You remember that guy?
Okay.
Was pushing for the deal, but the transaction has been put on the back burner as President Joe Biden reviews the situation with China. Talks between TikTok owner ByteDance and U.S. national security officials have continued, though no imminent decision on how to resolve these issues is expected from the Biden administration. Watch Fastly, as it is one of TikTok's largest customers. FSLY, guys. And the other one, that's why I actually never got out of Fastly. But I want to take a look at Walmart. I want to take a look at Oracle. And let me do Fastly. Let's do it. Let's do it. To do it right, child. Walmart. Good morning, everybody. It is still Wednesday, huh? Middle of the week. So, guys, mira para allá. As you can see, we were expecting all of this movement. Mira, he actually did it. See that? The ups. It did up, higher ups, but it went down, back down. It went up, it went down, and it reached one of those $153. I'm still expecting 160s and 165 for Walmart. I think they're creating and building up enough pressure to go up. It just makes sense. They're trying to move and evolve to their business to be similar to Amazon. So that alone gives a lot of value. They pay good dividends as well. Walmart. And I don't know, guys. Let me know. I want to hear you out about Walmart not acquiring TikTok and ORCL, which is Oracle Corp. Let's see what we got. So Oracle from 63.67 yesterday. Today we are at 62.55. So getting hurt a little bit. The same thing for Oracle. We haven't reviewed this one since last year, so it's very interesting that it held up the analysis. That it was a little bit messy though. I'm just gonna clean it up. It did get to one of our targets, adding the resistance now of 66. I still believe that it can go to 68 and 71. And now that we have this pattern over here, we can even do the Fibonacci and even align those levels even better. So $70 makes sense to me, and I can see even 77 as a potential target as well. So good, interesting structure for Oracle, interesting structure for Walmart, and let's see Fastly. I still remember Fastly going down to 66. Holy mofongo. Hey, man, look at that insane move, guys. We already have been up 55% from our original entry of Fastly. I still remember Tom Bladecki discussing this with us in the chat room. And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, 55% up. I'm liking the daily candle as well. It's bullish engulfing. And from 117.86, we are currently at 117.94. A little bit up, not a lot. I do think that this still can go up to 136, and after that I still got some targets at 146, 193, and we'll keep. You know what? Let me do a Fibonacci too. Let me do the Phoebe. Can you see that we're gonna do the Fibonacci? Okay, let's adjust over here the price. I'm liking this, guys. Wow, interesting momentum, huh? So different price points as well. 156 makes sense, like 155. 182 makes a lot of sense to me for Fastly. It will be interesting to see if it can continue pushing higher as expected. And I think that we are going to get there, guys. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Are you riding Fastly, Oracle, or even Walmart? Do you think that they're going to be doing some? Or will they go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob Bobbers? Okay, guys, let's review now Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Which actually, guys, I don't usually drink Coca-Cola, but yesterday I had a can of Coca-Cola. Not in like that's it. I don't even drink Coca-Cola. I mostly drink water, tea, coffee, but mostly water, or LaCroix, or bubbly, or something like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Oh yeah!
Randy likes it. Randy likes it. He even likes Topo Chico, but he's in another level, man. Randy is in another level. Coca-Cola EPS beats by 0.05, misses on revenue. Coca-Cola KO fourth quarter non-GAAP EPS of 0.47 beats by 0.05. GAAP EPS of 0.34 misses by 0.08. Revenue of $8.6 billion misses by $20 million. Organic revenue growth negative 3% versus consensus of negative 3.7%. In 2020, employees from across the Coca-Cola company and its bottling system worked tirelessly to learn and adapt amidst a global crisis, said James Quincy, chairman and CEO of the Coca-Cola company. The progress we made in 2020, including the actions taken to accelerate the transformation of our company, gives us confidence in returning to growth in the year ahead. While near-term uncertainty remains, we are well positioned to emerge stronger from the crisis, driven by our purpose and our beverages for life ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got over here regarding Coca-Cola. KO. Mira para allá, my friend. We bounced on the 200 EMA for Coca-Cola. We had a support area over here at 48.99. We said, well, if Coca-Cola creates a double bottom, it will be interesting to see. Mira, I'm just going to be a little bit agile about it because I want to have a better perspective, but I see that the lowest it went was 48.16, and it matches very nicely to the left. Even though I had it a little bit higher, it was still a good perspective for Coca-Cola to tell us, hey, David, Coca-Cola can start rejecting this area, and there's some potential opportunities. So what has happened over here is a break of a trend line. I'm liking it. $49.70, and it is going up right now. 2.09%. Looking very, very interesting. Looking very, very good. And I can tell you how, Antonio, welcome to the channel. I can tell you that I see a bullish market right now. That's it. I see a bullish market, and it has to retrace in a certain moment with a pullback, which will be healthy. But I see an uptrend right now. That's what's happening. Have you seen it? We have seen it across the board. And any pullbacks will be an opportunity, guys. I'm telling you also. Be prepared for that. Because I know a lot of people are getting excited with their gains. But now it is time for you to plan. Okay? Stop losses. Okay? Think about that. Think about your next opportunity. What's happening there? What other market hasn't moved? Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I see. Good morning, Betty. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Crypto. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Manuel. Corazón Oscuro. ¿Qué pasa, mi hermanillo? Good to see you. Just passing by to say, hey, hey, hey. Where I go now? Good to see you. Holy mofongo. Tilray is going to catch up to Grow Generation. Man, oh, man. GSAT, I know you're a bear. I only drink like one Coke a year, but if I do, it's the Mexican Coke. I agree. Okay, guys, as I said, please keep the symbols till the end because I'm gonna review them, but I gotta be patient with me. I gotta finish SPCE, and I only got 3 more articles. I got Cassava, Amazon, and SPCE, and that's it. So when I say now everybody submit your favorite symbols, then that will be the time to submit your favorite symbols. Even the members. And I wanna hear you, member. David, I see a double bottom. David, it's just that I saw a bullish momentum, a bullish engulfing candle. Or David, is that they're coming out with this kind of product. But by the way, on the list, I do have Sens, Idex, Nndm, and Sndl. We're gonna review them. Okay, here we go. Let's start with Cassava Sciences over here. So Cassava Sciences lower after 200 million equity raise. Cassava Sciences is down 12.6% pre-market on issuing a 4 million common stock at $49 a share for gross proceeds of 200 million in a registered direct offering. Offering is expected to close on February 12th. Okay, guys, we are at February 10th. Net proceeds will be utilized for working capital and general corporate purposes, including development of Simufilam, the company's lead drug candidate for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. And let's see what's happening, guys. Sava, 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 ba, bida, ba, ba, bida, ba, 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 bida, ba, ba, ba. So Sava, Sava, as expected, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Oh my goodness, David, what is that? That's the analysis that we've been doing. Because when we get these kind of spikes, we gotta expect at least a break of a trend line. We need to see some structure, some resistance levels being created, and expecting possible retracements to create a trend line or even a support area, which is good. Sava Sava from 57.48. So this is a discount code, I think. So 51.49. 51.49. So what do I see that can happen next with Sava Sava? I actually see, like I said, a return over here to create a support, which is basically doing it. If it stays on the trend line, it creates rejection, then we can continue with the upside. But it requires to break this resistance, you know. If it gets to drop a little bit lower, let's say that it drops to 32, man, that will be an opportunity, or $30. That will be an insane opportunity. But for now, the price is over here at 51. I do believe that this is the potential creation of that support area. I'm trying to even drag this over here. There you go. So guys, yeah, if it creates this double bottom, 1, 2, that will be insane. And we get good rejections, even better. If it gets to drop lower, then the story starts to change a little bit. That means that we need to start reviewing our trend lines, going over here, and capitalizing on any other opportunities that comes up. Okay? So keeping an eye on Sava Sava. Let me know, guys, in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What are you expecting from Sava Sava? Do you think it's going to do some? Or will it stay down in the bottom of the ocean with SpongeBob Bobby? For me, guys, a retracement will be a very good opportunity because reading about this alone, okay? So the proceeds will be utilized for working capital, okay? And general corporate purposes, including development of Simufilam, the company's lead drug candidate for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. So this is a very interesting company. I'm keeping an eye on it, keeping track of the story. Let's review Amazon, ladies and gentlemen, AMZN. Sava Sava, Saya, Jabara Papa, Papa. There's a song from Safri Duo called Baya Baya. Check it out. Group of investors say Amazon should not hamper union effort. Nearly 6,000 employees at an Amazon warehouse just outside of Birmingham called BHM1 began a vote this week to unionize their facility, marking the first such significant effort by its workers in the U.S. Amazon has been fighting hard against the endeavor, with anti-union posters, a dedicated website launch, and as holding mandatory meetings during work hours. But a group of more than 70 investors has written a letter asking the company to stop interfering with the vote and remain neutral. They have cited worker rights to unionize, as well as possible negative effects on Amazon's reputation among customers. Do they have enough influence? The shareholders, including the controller for the states of New York and New York City, and BMO Global Asset Management, only hold a collective of $20 billion in shares of Amazon, which itself has a market capitalization of $1.7 trillion. However, many of them have a political presence that might be more far-reaching than the size of their investments. Besides, a growing call the workers should have representation. Issues surrounding Amazon like tax payments, government subsidies, and antitrust concerns are becoming hot topics around the country. Amazon has also one of the quickest growing workforces in the U.S., hiring more than 500,000 people since the pandemic began a year ago. Backdrop: some of the motivations for the union go back to common criticism of working conditions at the retail giants, like how often employees have to carry out certain tasks and the length of breaks, or the complaints over disciplinary actions, lack of communication, and inexperienced managers. The reason why an attempt is being made in Alabama is due to the state's right-to-work law, which means a union only has to win over 50% backing of the return vote to be unionized. If the effort succeeds, it will give workers the power to negotiate a contract that could lock in heavy changes to wages and working conditions. Workers at BHM1 are able to cast mail-in ballots through March 29th, though the motion could also inspire other Amazon warehouses to organize. In a statement, Amazon said it respects our employees' right to join or not join a labor union, but we don't believe this group represents the majority of our employees' views. We encourage anyone to compare our overall pay, benefits, and workplace environment to any other company with similar jobs. And ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at AMZN. Let's see what's up. What's up with that? What's up with that? Ooh, what's up with that? So Amazon, it is struggling. We are waiting, man. We're waiting for this rocket to blast off. It is not there yet. The trend line, my friends, still holding. Today we are actually $1 higher to 33.06. Not bad for Amazon, ladies and gentlemen. Something to keep an eye on. And for me, because I believe Amazon can definitely go up to 3,500s, 3,800s, and even 4,500s. It's a long-term investment. It's not something that will happen in one day, but something to definitely keep an eye on. By the way, Bitcoin today 45,653. As you can see, rejecting that 14 EMA for the 4-hour, not bad. And let's see, ladies and gentlemen, over here, the last article for the day, which is very interesting. And I do have 4 more symbols. So once I'm done with SPCE, I'm going to open the doors to your favorite symbols. I do have SENS, IDEX, Nndm, and Sndl to be reviewed. Oh, and obviously, I got to review GSAT. I like that, GSAT. Let's do HCMS, HCMC. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead. And Tilray, let's do Tilray too. Tilray, before I do Sndl, okay? That's what's going to happen. Okay, guys, let's look at this last article that I got that I was interested in. Virgin Galactic falls 2% after UBS warns test flights already priced in. UBS drops Virgin Galactic to a neutral rating from buy on a mindful approach to valuation following the share price rally. Analyst Miles Walton thinks a successful test flight by Virgin Galactic may already be priced in. The firm assigns a price target of $52. Our 12-month forward price target of $52 is based on a EV/EBITDA of 50x times on our adjusted 2025 EBITDA estimate, which we discount back at 15% per year over 3 years. The drivers to our higher multiple are luxury, experiential, multiple expansion, while our move to 25 reflects a bit more normalized operations given some of the recent push out in operations. And ladies and gentlemen, shares of Virgin Galactic are down 1.85% pre-market. Okay, so let's review what SPCE is doing this morning. And SPCE, wow, it went down. Okay. It went down from 56 to 55. Okay. But I still don't mind that daily and that weekly. Oh my goodness. There's still potential for this to push higher. This individual over here, or this firm, where is it? UBS, says that it can go to 52. Okay, kind of makes sense. I mean, we've been going up for quite a time. You know, we need to retrace back down. And actually matches very well with some areas that I like, which is a good support level. Could be, you can see the rejection over here for this candle. Over here, this hammer. And I like that it's very close to my 14 EMA, which I believe it could even go lower to 48, but 52 makes good sense for SPCE before taking off. And I know they're going to have the test flight coming up. So there's a lot of things, guys. I think we're going to space pretty soon. Even faster than we ever believed that we could get. Insane SPCE. And that's it for the news. For now, right? Because every time I click refresh right now, it's going to pop up a lot of freaking new articles. You're going to see. But anyways, guys, I'm good with the news. I need to finish this video a little bit earlier. Maybe I got to finish it at 8. So I really appreciate the support from everybody over here. Let's take a look and see if there's any new article about GSAT on Seeking Alpha. Let's see over here, guys. GSAT, Global Star. Yes, I gotta definitely do a lot of stuff, guys. So, Global Star yesterday, as you already know, jumps 21% as Qualcomm includes band N53 in the new 5G modem. So let's review now GSAT for all of you. Biggie, can you see? Whoa! Espérate. Because we already knew that this went up like this yesterday, but where is... David, what is that? We're making profit. David, what is that? We're kicking booty with GSAT, ladies and gentlemen, since early morning doing up. Sure you can indeed. This was mentioned by so many people in our Discord. Cameron, Danny, even our subscribers. Antonio Rodriguez, shout out to you, my friend. Hopefully you are feliz como una lombriz, mi hermanillo. GSAT making moves. I didn't even want to review my freaking chart, but I'm getting very pumped. I'm getting whoa, like my fingers. GSAT pre-market doing amazing, guys. Doing very, very good. $2.64. Wow, insane. Very, very good, guys. Entries at 95 cents. And I know that some of our members got even earlier. Look at that. Beautiful structure since over here at 40s. And beautiful structure once it went up. Created a higher high. Pulled back to $1 and providing us another great opportunity. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. GSAT kicking booty. Let me know, guys, if you capitalize on this opportunity. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Where do you think GSAT will go? Will it go to 455? Will it go to 1783? Kind of makes sense. It's making more sense now than ever. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations, my friend. Let's review now HCMC. Yes, Cameron Walker, the 5G play, because we were discussing in our Discord the different themes for 2021, and one of them was 5G. Another one was data analytics, right? The other one was electric vehicles, cannabis companies. All of these themes were discussed in the beginning of the year. So can you just imagine? Even before than that, because when I went out for vacation, that was already in talks. And we already knew who was going to win the U.S. presidential election because of the charts. I'm not a psychic. They may call me the Walter Mercado of the stock market. I do it con mucho, mucho amor, my friends, but I'm not a psychic. It's all about looking at the charts and being ahead of the curve. Very, very nicely done. Wow, insane, insane. Cameron, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Everyone in the Discord is so worth it. Yes, investing in yourself, indeed. Invest in yourself. Check out the link for the Discord in the description, or check out the join button below this rectangle that I'm doing the video. So let's go ahead and review now, ladies and gentlemen. HCMC. Good morning. Like this is like that. Corrupción. Good morning, Suheidi. Did I say it? Lin Lee. Welcome. Jerbear. Pete Udo. Good to see you, my friend. I feel like this guy is going to start playing the piano. I actually got the synthesizer in front of me. I just need to just plug it in and that's it, man. I can do it. I can do it if I wanted to. But HCMC is performing very nice pre-market, huh? Seems like from 0.0034 is at 0.0036. So guys, HCMC, interesting movement. This was discussed in our Discord as well. As you already know, guys, this is a penny stock. This is a long shot. We will see what it will happen. Not a lot of people can invest in companies like this because it requires to have an account with Fidelity or Ameritrade, and not a lot of people have those brokers. But this is an insane one. I'm really gonna keep an eye on this for the short term and see if we can go to that 200 EMA, which is a 0.009665. It is insane. It is insane. I can't even believe it. Can you imagine this one?
Roar.
Can you imagine this one? Woo! That would be cray. Let's see over here. Let's start with SENS. I think. Oh, but before we get to SENS, oh my goodness, I'm just stalling with it. I'm stalling a little bit. I wanna do Tilray, and then I'll do Sndl. Kind of makes sense. But before that, CRNT, ALB, and Helion. Let's do them. CRNT. But guys, I'm telling you all, I'll be done with the video in 30 minutes. So this is going to be how I'm going to do the rest of the show. I'm going to take some symbols. I'm going to review whatever I got. Anyways, moving forward. CRNT over here. Let's look at the monthly. Oh, we already did an analysis for this one. Looking beautiful. Break of a trend line. Look at that. Break of a trend line creating higher highs on the monthly previous month. Higher lows in the previous month. And this month is bullish above the 200 EMA at $5. So it's still a penny stock. But keep in mind, obviously, when investing in penny stocks, use disposable income. If there's any potential retracement back to $4, it will be an awesome opportunity. I like that it even created some support levels at 430s. So it's starting to look very interesting once again. I want to see this flag being broken. Oh man, this will be insane. This will be lovely to see. 496, definitely something to keep an eye on, G. And then we got ALB. Albemarle, ALB. So yes, as expected, it's going down, as you can see. 158.69 was the close. Today is at 158.60s. So we're down a little bit. It's fine. This is what we wanted to see, G. And then after that, once we break the trend line, we can definitely continue with some more upside, which will be amazing. Okay, and then Helion, HYLN. HYLN, Helion, finally, see that? Telling you, man, that zone, a powerful zone. But from 1635, it went down to 1620. I think it's not a bad starting point. But for me to have a little bit of more confidence in Helium, it needs to break that resistance of $19. I want to see it dominate this zone. I want to see this Helium price go up if it breaks that resistance, because if we do that, we're going to create a higher high, we're going to be creating higher lows, and I think there is potential for this to continue with the upside to even $58. That's an 187% increase, which for me is actually a good opportunity if you think about it. There's obviously some areas where price can have issues, like for example 34, but this is starting to look very interesting right now. Helium finally getting a little bit of life, if you know what I mean. From Helium, let's do now Tilray. Let me do Tilray, guys. Let me do Tilray. Oh, by the way, EXPC. Can do that. Tilray, let me see if there's any other article, because yesterday Tilray has been performing outstanding. It's been amazing. Oh, yes. So look at this, guys. So look at this. Reddit chatter pushes cannabis stocks higher. Hey, we're already riding this, man. We're already riding it for quite a while. We're getting higher. Cannabis stocks are surging this morning as Reddit forum Wall Street Bets turns its attention to the sector. One WSB user wrote that Tilray and Afria, which are up 80 and 61% respectively in the past 5 days, still have more room to run, Reuters reported. I think we already knew this, but that's fine. Canopy growth. Shares are up 6% pre-market, following a bullish note from Benchmark's Mark Hickey, who wrote, revenue growth should be significant in Canada over the next several quarters. Not all analysts feel strongly about Canopy, and Stifel analyst W. Andrew Carter mains his sell rating as the company's revenue growth targets will prove ambitious. Carter, however, said or raised his price target to 21 Canadian from 18. Here how some other pot stocks are performing pre-market, guys. So it seems like ACV 13.9% up, Hexo 10, Tilray 23, Canopy Growth 6, Kronos 11.3, Organigram 31.3, and YOLO, shout out to Mary for Alice, 8.3%. And you know what? It's not only Sndl that I'm going to review, or Tilray. It's going to be Tilray. I'm going to do Afria. I'm going to do ACB, Hexo, CGC, and I'm going to do Kronos because I'm I like Kronos. I've been in it for quite a while. Organigram, and why not? YOLO. Let's do all of them. 7:34 a.m. So very excited. You're welcome, G. King. The king has arrived. King Zahi. Hello, beautiful community of talented investors. Would you please offer a breakdown of CBAY? It looks very strong here. $8 sound possible? CBY. But I'm going to do that after all of this. Okay? Let's do Tilray. Do 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 do. Oh, honey, honey, do 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 do. David. Let's see over here, guys. Tilray, knock knock knocking on heaven's door. Hey, hey, hey. Already going to the upside, my friends. 22 or 24%. Oh my goodness, holy mofongo, we're doing some
Monster kill.
Woo! Holy mofongo, we're doing some. Indeed, my friend, pre-market. I haven't even seen my freaking portfolio, guys. Wow, it is insane. I've been heavy in pot stocks for quite the time, guys. But David, the Reddit forum, I know, and it is amazing that finally there's a place for people to express their amazing abilities and amazing perspectives, and a place to be part of a community of investment, which is pretty cool. But guys, we've been reviewing Tilray for quite the time, and I still remember when we crashed to $2-3. Shout out to my friend Tiach Duan. He actually was asking about Tilray when he was at $2-3. We capitalized on that opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Getting in is just been a blessing. And right now, we are at $52.76, guys. That means that from yesterday, we're already up 24%, which is very, very insane. I'm enjoying the ride. I think it kind of makes sense because Tilray and Afria will be merging. So, another thing, Afria has been actually been going up too. So the shares of Afria that you got will become Tilray shares, and is already up this morning from $23.75 to motherfucking 22% to $29. Hadouken indeed, my friends. Look at this beautiful move. Afria, we've been discussing this one as well since the crash. $2, $3, $4. That's when I start to get a little bit of more confidence in it. Break of a trend line, as you can see. Last kiss, and let's go. Rally, base, rally. That's what is happening, and I'm actually expecting any retracement to create a support. I wouldn't mind that. It's doing amazing, but Afria, as you already know, will be merging with freaking Tilray pretty soon. And mira para allá, my friends, it can go to $30. Beautiful, as expected. Very close to that beautiful target. Holy mofongo. Let me review now over here. ACB, Aurora Cannabis. ACB for everybody here. ACB for everybody there. ACB for everybody in the world. Over here. Over there. Anywhere. ACB. Finally waking up. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Finally waking up. ACB. Here we are. From $15.61, we have gone up, my friends, to $18. That's 14.76%. I do believe we can go back up to 1970s. But man, oh man, there is still potential for Aurora Cannabis to start going to 31. If it closes bullish on the weekly, it will make sense. Now, if we continue to be above and we break the resistance of $30, there's still potential for more upside. And you can see $118 is a very potential target. That's 264% upside, ladies and gentlemen. Holy mofongo. Aurora Cannabis getting a little bit of life. I know that if you have lost money, go ahead and dislike this video. Be frustrated. Everybody gets frustrated, and I know Aurora Cannabis made a lot of people lose money, but if you're a hater, just do the dislike as well. But I got somebody on hold over here in my new iPhone 20th. Yeah, bro, you can send the message now to the haters.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
By the way, we got 37 viewers, 38 viewers, 25 likes. Guys, a like is the free way to support this channel, okay?
Oh, yeah!
This is the free way to support the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified. Let's do Hexo right now. Oh my goodness, the cannabis. The Patty Stockies making the moves. $9.75, ladies and gentlemen, was yesterday's close, and today Hexo is going to $10.65. 11.79%, ladies and gentlemen, is doing amazing. I really think that we can continue with some more upside to $33.65. Kind of makes sense to me. Wow, what a great potential for Hexo. I'm sad that it did the reverse stock split, but I'm happy that it's starting to go up to $34.41. 257% is my my long-term target, but for now, los pies en la tierra y zapatos de la gloria. It can actually go down to 780s. Let's keep an eye on that. What do you think, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I agree. It's an oh yeah. What about Canopy Growth? CGC, ladies and gentlemen. Canopy Growth. Hey, Mass Shoe, where did you say hi, Mass Shoe Plugs? You gotta say hi to this amazing community, my friend. Amazing investors and amazing entrepreneurs. You gotta say hi con mucho amor, my friend. That's the way to do it. But we're gonna do Sndl, dude. We're gonna do Sndl. I'm gonna do Sndl after I finish YOLO. But now Canopy Growth going up as well to $52.30. Dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, we're heading to that $59 target that we had. After that, I see 73 as another target for Canopy Growth. Already 7.4% in the pre-market. Holy mofongo.
Oh, yeah!
I know, Randy. It is amazing. Let's do Chronos. Chronos. Man, the pot stocks today are rocking it, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, oh my goodness, from $13.59, now we are at $15.29. That's 12.93% increase.
Oh, yeah!
I know, Randy. It's doing amazing. As expected, Randy. We are going to be heading to that $25 level. Definitely looking pretty bullish to me since our break of our trend line over here, guys. As you can see, the break of the trend line happened around the COVID. That's when everything started to change. I believe that's when people started to believe, man, we need to get some new leadership somewhere. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then we created a double bottom and started to create a bullish momentum trend, which is doing good. I'm expecting Chronos to retest 25, and if it breaks the retest, we're going to go back down, and it will be an amazing Then after that, let's do Organigram, OGI. Very close to Sndl, very close. We're going to do Sndl after this one. So tell your family and friends. Organigrams doing some beautiful Hadoukens and doing some Choryukens. Doing amazing. We're doing
excellent.
Thank you, Mr. Burns, once again. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. From $4.37, we are up to $5.74. 32% upside. I do believe that we can reach that $8.35 target. Organigram, ladies and gentlemen, what a wild ride it has been, and we are still capitalizing on the movement. Very excited that a lot of you have been kicking booty with the pot stocks. And what about YOLO? Shout out to Mary Forales, because YOLO has been doing amazing to $28.99. It did retrace a little bit from yesterday, but it's still doing amazing. I do believe that Mary Forales started to get in at $10.30. And look at that, 181%. And ladies and gentlemen, it is time to review the one and only Sndl. We reviewed yesterday Sndl, as you already know, guys. Sndl. Con mucho amor. Yes, Sndl. Ladies and gentlemen, grab your popcorn, because here we go. Grab your popcorn in the morning. You're like, David, I don't do it. Okay, here we go, guys, because Sndl yesterday closed at $64 cents. After hours, ladies and gentlemen, Sndl up 25%. But David, what is that? We're making profit. But David, what is that? Sndl is going up. But David, what is that? Well, ladies and gentlemen, yes, we're making profit, because this was even discussed in our Discord. The beautiful thing about our Discord is that we're paying attention to the technicals, and we're paying attention even when these kind of drops happen. Because as you can see, Sndl, a lot of people started to get into it like at 20 cents, even at 40 cents, which were like my original entries over here. But as you can see, there were a little bit of a spike indicating that there was some potential for upside. It didn't want to do it, so it consolidated a lot at 40 cents. That's where my original position started to come up. And we started to have the EMAs cross, the 50 day and the 14-day, creating a higher high from the previous highs. Then after that, created this trend line. This trend line was the key to success. I'm gonna be very honest, guys. And as you can see, that trend line indicates when Biden got elected, when Biden became president, January 20th over here, guys. And then it just went down, down, down for the first few days, as you can see on the 25th. And then on the 26th, we saw this bullish engulfing candle going up, breaking the trend line, okay? Breaking this trend line, doing a last kiss. Look, even in the penny stocks, we can do technicals. And as you can see, it started to create higher highs, flag, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, going back down, and going now to $2.06. We are up pre-market 25%, ladies and gentlemen. And since our early entries, as you can see, we are already 246% up, which is amazing. Congratulations for the patient. Congratulations for you who is capitalizing. And let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. If you're a member, you gotta give me some Hadoukens, my friend, because right now the monthly candle is looking pretty bullish. That is a good sign. I want to see Sndl go to $3.89. I would love to see that. I actually believe there could be a little bit of issues above for Sndl, for example, at $5.24, maybe even at $7. But at the end of the investment, I don't want to say at the end of the day, but because at the end of the day, it's not going to happen. I'm still looking forward for Sndl to go to $13. We do have some more targets that we revealed yesterday, which are 17, 21, and even 34. Something to keep in mind, Sndl has now cash. They're trying to now do acquisitions. And with the U.S. starting to have the conversation about legalizing marijuana, I think it just makes sense. What do you think, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
What do you think, community? Do you think the pot stocks are going to be doing some more?
Oh, you can...
Or will it go down to the pineapple under the sea with SpongeBob Bob? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from Sndl. Wow, what a beautiful thing. What a beautiful thing. Let's do CBAY. Holy mofongo, guys. Holy mofongo. We're getting Lambos and meeting in Miami. If that happens, my friend, I don't know. I don't want a car like that. You know, I actually moved to Chicago because I didn't want to own a car. I wanted to use public transportation because Chicago is very good with that. So Sndl doing amazing, my friends, doing very, very good. Let's review now CBAY. Let's see what we got. See, we don't need Lamborghinis. We don't need that. We don't need that. I think we can do way more things than a Lambo or having a Bugatti, which I don't know, man. It's amazing that you're able to buy it, but is it worth it, right? You know, some people may buy it for a tax write-off or something, but you know what? I just think that, well, it could be an investment as well for the long-term investment, you know. Tangible assets are good, but it has to be like a collectible or something like that. But for me, my friends, my life is simple. I don't overcomplicate my life. I like playing video games. I like eating. I like freaking playing music. I want to do some shows, live shows. I'm like very excited to see what will happen with my music, man. Haven't even released my song, but it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out pretty soon. I just want to make sure that, I don't know, there's nothing stopping me. I'm gonna release that pretty soon. That's all I'm saying. But that's my passion, guys. And investing and showing people how to have a little bit of more perspective is awesome for me as well. My friend, CBAY looks pretty interesting to me. It can definitely go to $9. And you said $8. Look at that. Beautiful. Not bad at all, my friend. 42% to the upside makes sense. And it can even go to 14 and 15. So keep that in mind. That could be a return of around 120% or 140s. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind for CBAY. Now let's do SENS, guys. I'm here in Miami waiting for you all. Good morning, mi gente, says Christopher Osuna. Jeffrey Wilson, good morning. Did I say it? Master Plugs, I did not know if I said good morning. Sabea Investments, good morning, my friend. Good to see you. Man, a lot of good energy over here. I made 550 on CGIX this morning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A lot of people from Miami. Oh, C3AI. Yes, I'm going to do C3AI. C3AI. And let's see over here. CGIX. By the way, let's celebrate H gains. H, congratulations. That's very, very good. Let me do right now. Let's start with C3AI. Let's do C3AI. I just want to leave SENS to the end. Oops. And then, no, let's do EXPC as well. EXPC. I just want to leave SENS, IDEX, and none of the mention for the end. C3AI. And I'm almost done, guys. I'm going to be done in 8 minutes. So, because I really want to move forward with a few things here. So C3.ai, ladies and gentlemen, from $168 is at $169 this morning. Yesterday created a bullish engulfing candle. It seems to me that it's gonna go to 184. Great potential over here of 8.8%. And I'm going to go ahead and add a Fibonacci level. So let's go ahead and add this levels a little bit better. There you go. Looks much, much better now. Let me add more over here. This one. Now the Fibonacci makes more sense. So I'm going to keep that for now. And I do like 184. After that, I see 204, 228, and 243, which could be an increase of 43%. Loving it. Great potential for C3.ai. Let me do EXPC. I'm going to add Okugen, but that's it. That's it. Members, don't be sending more. Don't be sending more after Okugen, because I gotta get out. If I have a little bit of like 1 minute, we can do the other one. Hello, healthy young food. Good to see you, my friend. Let's see, EXPC Investments Corp. This one, the only thing that I can do is add resistance and a support, because already has gone up from 16.90 from 15, almost 16 to 17.54. The only thing that I can do over here is, this looks horrible, by the way. This looks nasty. What I can do is go from the higher highs to the lows and see where can we expect the price to go. Maybe 17 to 18. $20 makes sense. 22 or even 24. And this, obviously, this is not a perfect price prediction, but obviously the Fibonacci does help a lot. Okay, so it's starting to look very, very good. Then after that, let me do Okugen. OCGN. OCGN. By the way, guys, follow Healthy Junk Food. You gotta follow them in their journey. Oh my goodness, I love the videos, guys. It's so creative. You should definitely check them out. Healthy Junk Food, JP and Julia. Shout out to you and the Munchies. And by the way, shout out to King Sahi. Can't wait to hear your song, bro. I can't wait for you to hear it, my friend. You're going to be like, David, what is that? Let's go ahead and move forward. With Okugen did go down from $18.84 to $11.91 pre-market. So it is going down. I do believe that Okugen had to go down. It even seems like it is in a very strong area. 14 EMA. I want to see this even go to 765. It will be a beautiful thing if it does. But if it doesn't, that's fine. We should be good. Waiting for a support level being created is our plan. That's my plan. Waiting for a support level and see if we can capitalize on that. Clara Liriana, good to see you once again. Let's see over here. SENS, guys. Here we go. Sens Onyx. We are ready for... Espérate. Is SENS, does it have over here? Oh, we're ready to review Okugen, man. Elijah, weren't you here? So for me, it has to create a support over here at $11. If it gets to drop to $8, it will be the same. I don't care where it is. But at the end of the day, a break of a trend line. And this is only technicals, okay? Because I like Okugen's mission. But at the same time, looking at the technicals, this is what I'm looking for. Even if it's at 11 or 8, it doesn't matter where. Because Okugen, we've been writing it for quite a while. And it does require a little bit of retracement, which will be a good opportunity to pick up liquidity and push higher. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I do like 21 and 30s at the end of the day. I mean, it's not the end of the day. I'm not at the end of the day, but you know what? That's one of my targets, I guess. SENS, finally. Sensonics, let's do it. Do it right, child. Do it. Mira para allá, guys. Mira para allá. Jason Park is sharing here with us. Sndl. I got this at 0.67 because of David. Thanks, David. I will say because of the community. No, I'm not alone. I'm not alone, guys. We've been writing this together. You know how it is, guys. Give yourself credit when credit is due. Because this is a personal journey. Personal finance is very hard because it is personal. So, guys, no new articles today for Sens Onyx. But, guys, they were raising equities the other day, as you already know. So they were trying to pick up some liquidity at 1.92 for 7.8 million shares. It did close on January 26. And ladies and gentlemen, so Sensonics have been getting some gains pre-market. Let's see. But this was actually, this article here is from February 8th. So today is February 10th. Sensonics. SENS. But David. Sens Onyx, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Yesterday closed at 390s, and to this morning, woo! Waking up at $4.10, that 5.27%.
Monster kill.
Yes, Sens Onyx is finally moving how we wanted to see. And I do believe that there's a lot of potential for SENS. I've had my targets already set up, guys. I do like that $5.29, which could be equal to 128% upside. I do like even $6, so almost 7, which is 189%. $8 could be a 263% move. But if we go to 13, that's 482. If we go even further than that, to 18 is 690s, and 20s is 809%. I do believe we can get there, guys. It is getting there right now to $4.11. That is insane. It blows my mind, guys, because we've been writing SENS very, very low. Very, very low, guys. Like around $1.80. Around this range, we started to do an analysis. And then I did pick up some more positions over here at 2 when it consolidated, and now going to the upside. Holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen, let me know. Are we doing salsa or are we doing nothing over here? Or do you think that SNS will continue with the upside? I really want to hear you out. Give me that comment. Guys, members, I know that you have been here supporting the channel via the chat room, but leaving comments will actually help.
Oh my.
Let's go ahead and move forward with Ideonomics. And guys, Ideonomics and Nndm will be the last two. And that's it. I'm going to be done with the video. Kind of sucks, but I just need to do a lot of stuff over here. I need to... Whoa! Let's keep it simple, guys. $5.29 for Ideonomics. Yesterday's close. This morning already at $5.33. We're starting to go up just a little bit, not a lot, 0.7%. It's good. It's good. But I do think that this has a lot of potential to go to 575, which is 19, almost 20%. Let's see. We can even see a target at $10.55. Which could be equal to 122% from our last position, because we've been riding Ideonomics since around $2. And as you can see over here, Ideonomics can even go to 213%. Obviously, I got some other targets above, but I'm going to keep mis pies en la tierra y zapatos en la gloria. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, looking good, not bad at all. Ideonomics looking amazing. Jason Park saying 228% return in 2 weeks. Holy mofongo. That's amazing. Elijah Clark, awesome. Thanks, man. I'll keep holding. Elijah, my friend, welcome to the channel. If you have any questions, you already know, my friend, just ask. I suggest saying hi to the community every time you come by, because there's a lot of talented investors and entrepreneurs over here. And, you know, manners matter. Con mucho, mucho amor. You know, con mucho, mucho amor. Kiso say. Kiso say? What do you say? Kiso say. Kiso says Sndl to the moon, baby. No. I'm sorry, my friend.
Wrong.
You're wrong. To the moon? No. It's a resistance. The moon has a resistance, my friend. The moon has a resistance. You know what that resistance is right now? The moon's resistance is 389, 524, freaking even $13. Do you know what's coming up? Mars, Pluto, other galaxies. I'm telling you, man, I see Sndl kicking booty, and we're going to be impressed. We're going to be impressed, and I think that with the cannabis industry getting that legalization in the States, it will be a different story. But anyways, let's see over here. This channel has definitely grown. David, we're doing something right. Are we doing something right, Randy?
Oh yeah.
Seems like we're doing something right. What do you think, Chewy? Do you think we're doing something good? I know, Chewy, that... Yes, I know that Randy said that we needed to get to 1 million subs. And we gotta be patient, bro. Like everything. Patience is the name of the game, bro. That's what happens. We're ahead of the curve. You already know this, man. You already know this. And now, to finish up the video, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about GSAT? I actually talked about GSAT already, my friend. Maybe you want to go back a little bit. But for me, GSAT, just to give you a quick glimpse, I think it's bullish. It's all I'm saying. GSAT is bullish. Oh, I need to show you. Okay, man, I gotta get out of here, guys. I gotta get out of here. $2.70 for GSAT. I do believe it can go to $3.57, and even higher than that, my friend. I think it's a long-term investment. It can even go to $4.55. This was discussed as a 5G play in our Discord community. So check out the link for the Discord, which is basically becoming a member and unlocking the keys to the kingdom. To finish the video, ladies and gentlemen. And David, I think we need to start doing some technicals. For what? For the moon? Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's go ahead and move forward, guys. By the way, follow me, DEIVED, on Instagram. I'm always posting things over there, technicals, resources, and I'm always active in the Discord community, guys. This is gonna be the last symbol to review. It's all about none of the mention. Yes, Nndm, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Come on, dudes and dudettes. Yeah. None of the mention. Here we go. None of the mention. From 1672, we are already up. Dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Oh, come on. Mira para allá, guys. Already 2.6% from our last entry. We are doing 21% from our original entry. By the way, Geonomics was the one that I got at 180s, but this one, none of the mention, since $2, guys. Look at this movement. We are capitalizing already. 749%. Holy mofungos. Look at that. David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. David, what is that? It is none of the mention is going up. David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. Oh my goodness, guys. This is insane. Thank you for being here, guys. We are growing as a community. I'm enjoying the lives. 42 people. Today I'm gonna cut it a little bit sooner than other times. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure that I get ahead of things that I got already planned out. We will be back 6:30 p.m. Central Time, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that motherfucking bell so you get notified every time we are online. By the way, guys, still the Amazon gift card giveaway still going. It's still happening. I will be revealing the winner, I believe, by April, something like that. And members, keep doing the technical analysis because you already know there's another opportunity to win. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think I already said that. We do the videos con mucho amor. Dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Hopefully you will have an amazing trading day. Keep on kicking booty as you always do. And have a beautiful morning. Oh, Jeffrey, would love to play a quick intro for you on cello. Beautiful. Share that with us in our community tab. Maybe you have the opportunity to share it in our Discord in the future. Thank you all once again and have a beautiful morning.
Hadouken!
Monster kill.
Boom shakalaka!
Now